Number 1, Inasa. Number 12, pumasa ng tatanong ko yan. Hindi mo shoot.
The score is 4-0.
Score 4-0. 3 points. Number
14.
Nasa number 1. Wala. Number 25, itadala ng bola. Pull up, Jay. Wala. Rebound. Number 13. Number 1, Inasa. Number 12, number pass to pull up, Jay. Wala. Rebound, number 12. 2 points by number 1. Rebound, number 12. Remain time, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 5. Number 88, number 25, Inasa. Number 88. Number 53, defensive rebound. Turnover na. Number 12. Inasa, number 41.
Score is 8-3 in favor of Bemida State. Blocked by
53.
Foul.
Foul by number 88.
First team foul by Amalia.
Steal by number 25. Two balls by number 20.
Time 8 is the score. 3-point lead by Endless Link. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 1. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Foul. Second team foul by Amalias.
Time out. Time out. Amalia Suchon.
First foul by number 1.
Good Joe.
Back to the ball game.
Kuya Jan. Jan.
Score is 5-10.
Main time, 2 minutes.
Two minutes remaining time. Abroad, 2 points. Number 25. Pass to number 5. Number 5 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Number 20 foul by number 12. Earthy foul by
First personal foul. Remaining time, 1 minute and 15 seconds.
25. No good. Rebound by number 15. Nabog. Nabog. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Naya. Pinasa ka number 16. Wala pa rin. Pushing foul by number 20. Time remaining 50 seconds of the first period. Number 41. Tumira. Yes, 2 points. Score is 7-12. 5-point lead by Endless Link. Time remaining 33 seconds. 26. 15 seconds. Still.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Yes, 2 points. 8, 7.
Not counted. Not counted.
Kuya Joe.
po.
Diyan ka lang. Ayan, naka-continuous lang to ha.
Kasi live yun. Okay lang yun kasi live.
Star of
Hindi
the
pa
ball
niya
game.
no?
The
Ganyan,
score is
ilipat ko dito.
Amalia 7,
Hindi.
Embisling 15.
Ayaw ng YouTube.
Ah, yun yung YouTube.
Kailangan nakaganyan. Hindi siya uberap.
Ah. Ay, shit.
2 points by Angola. Yes, 2 points.
Kaya pakilakin tayo.
Takin po tayo, takin.
Score 17.
Meron ng 3, yes. Tumira ulit ng 3. No good. Foul. First team foul by Embisling. Time remaining 8 minutes. Foul number
53. Kaya 53 ha.
Ah, grabe ay.
First shot is good. Second shot.
foul. First team foul by Amalia. Foul by number 16. First personal foul by number 16.
Go, kami naman.
Kamera na tayo ngayon.
First shot.
Go for 2 by number 53. Foul by number 53. Second team foul.
First personal foul. First shot is good. Second shot. Good.
16-19. Foul.
Foul number 1.
Foul number 6. Assisting. Second personal foul.
First shot. It's good. Ah, ikaw may conceptual. Second shot.
Yes. Score 16-21.
Remaining time, 5 minutes.
Yes, 2 points.
Number 15, 2 points. Assist by number 20. Number 20, nawala. Rebound, number 60, foul rebound. Pinasa, number 1. Adao, pinasa, number 88 for 3.
Yes.
Pinasa na yan, guys.
The score is all 21.
From Nento ball to ball. Leon, wala. Rebound by number 15.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds in the second period.
Number 20, turnover. Number 20. Oh, 21. Deadlock. Concepcion tumira ng 3.
Yes.
Again.
Score is 21-24. 3-point lead by Endesling. Number 1, dribbling the ball.
Show foul.
Number 16 to number 18. Number 18. Wala.
Wala.
Nakuha ni number 9. Number 2, nagmamadali. Number 2, foul by number 15, double. 13 foul by Amalia. First personal foul by number 15. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds in the second period. Stay ko pa. Number 2 to number 24. 24, pull up. Yes, 2 points.
No risky shot.
One-legged shot by number 24. Number 1, Tuwira ng 3. Rebound by number 16. Ross, pinasa kay number 1. Number 1. To number 15. Number 15. To number 1. Wala pa rin.
Rebound.
Rebound.
Iba na ang matangkad.
Number 35. Yes, 2 points. 7-point lead by Endesling. Score is 21-28. Yes, 2 points by number 16. Only 5-point lead. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds in the second period. Steal by number 15. Number 15. Oy, pinasa sa kalaban. Science. Science sa pagmamahal ni Arnold. Substitution. One minute and 5 seconds remaining. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. 9. Veteran move by number 9. Idol. Number 24. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha number 25. 40 seconds remaining. Number 1. Sumalaksak. Wala. Sayang. Nakuha ulit number 15.
15 seconds.
Number 1. Sayang. 20. Number 2. Yes, bro.
Mr. Leon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. End of second period. The score is 23-30. 7-point lead by Endless Lake. It's now the turn of my pare.
Okay na. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Start of third period. Number 5 to number 12. Dinasa sa ilalim, wala. Steal by number 88. Number 88. Tumira ng 3. Yes.
3 point.
Wrong for 3. Number 5 to number 41. 41 to number 1. Number 1. Sayang. Nakuha number 13. Yes, 2 points by number 13. Arnold dribbling the ball. Signaling the play. Arnold. To Abrod. Abrod. To Rod. 25. Muntik na makuha. Abrod. Pull up. No good. Na-rebound number 13. Pasa kay number 5. Number 5. Nagmamadali. Yes. No good. No good by number 5. Malamig pa, idol. Rod tumira ng 3 ulit. Wala. Nakuha number 16. 16. Ron, Brandon, yes. Ron, for 3.
Score 29-32.
3-point lead by Endless Link. Number 5. Give to number 41. 41. Cross pass to number 5. 5-2. Number 1. Number 1. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass break kay Arnold. Turnover. Number 41. to number 12. Number 12, yes! 2 points by number 12. Score is 29-34.
5-point lead by Endless Link. 25. Pull up. Yes, points by number 25.
Number 5 to number 13. 13, nasa kay number 1. Number 1. Nasa ilalim. Number 13. Yes, 2 points by number 13. Score is 31-36.
Lamang pa rin po ng 5-point lead ang Endless Link. Number 16. Binigyan ng pick ni Arnold. Binalik kay Arnold. Arnold, binalik kay number 16. Pull up. No good. Iba pa number 13.
Number 5. Number 5. Pinasa kay number 1. Number 1. Wala. Foul by number 18.
Second personal foul by number 88. First team foul. Rebound by number 25. Wala. Number 1 to number 5. Number 5. Yes, 2 points by number 5. Score is 31-30.
Score is
31-40. 9-point lead by Endless Link.
back to the ball game.
Meron pang isa si
Number 1, dribbling the ball.
Number 16. 15, pull up. Logan, ribaba number 41 ng Endless Link. Mamadali.
Pass to number 5. Number 5 to number 12.
Stepping on the line.
Substitution.
In, 20 out. Number 1. Number 1. To 25. Short stop. No good. Rebound again by number 41. Ano to kay number 5. Number 5 to same ball. Last touch by the red team. Pull up, no good. Number 13, back dribble, muntik na mawala. Back, pinasa ulit kay number 13. Number 13, yes, 2 points. Score is 33-40. 7-point lead by Endless Link. 25 to number 5. Bukol ang press, wala. Nakuha number 30. Binasa kay number 16. Abroad. to number 25. Binalik kay Abrot, short. Yes, 2 point. Short jumper by Abrot. 35-40, only 5-point lead by Endesting. Number 5 to number 35. 2 minutes. 35. Pass to number 12. Number 12 to Milian Andres. Yes.
Number 12 for 3. Sa number 12 talaga siya.
Basta number 12, shooter. Number 1 to number 15. Short. Di ba pa number 41? 41. Muntik na. Number 5. Wala. Wala number 35. 35 to number 5. Set. Tumira rin ang number 12. Wala. Number 1 closing the ball. Number 1. Tumira. Foul. Sayang. Foul by number 41.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Unang bitaw. Wala na. Last throw.
Remaining time. 1 minute.
Yes, pasok ang pangalawang free throw. 35. Tumir. 35, dribbling the ball. To number 12. Dribbling. Time remaining 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20. 15. 10. 9. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Yes, Number 1.
3 points.
Buti pa yung boss namin, relax lang mga boss. Oh, yun lang.
And back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Start of fourth period. Four-point lead by Endesting. May shot clock na po tayo ha. Fourth. Rod, tumira ng 3. Airball. Number 24 to number 2. 24.
15 seconds.
So nice pass by number 24. 2 points by number 1. 39-43 is the score. 25. Number 24. Yes, 2 points. 2 points. 7 on the line. 8.3 by Endesting. 39-47. 8 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Arnold. Arnold, nagmamadali. Yes, 2 points by Arnold. Forty, 47. Foul, and 1.
2 points. Foul.
Bonus shot.
Number 1.
First team foul.
First personal foul.
Rebound by number 1. 24. Pass to number 9. Number 9. No good. Rebound by number 20. 20. Nasa kay Arnold. Balik kay number 88. 15 seconds. Short. Nakuha ulit. Na-rebound ni number 9. Number 24. Wow! What a dribble by number 24.
Pero na rin sa injury.
Rebound by number 25. Rod to Arnold. Arnold. Ang ganda niya. Substitution. Arnold out. Arnold out.
Number 1 in.
1 out. 41 in. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40 seconds in the fourth period. Peng, nagdadala ng bola.
15 seconds.
Nasa kay numero 8. Number 8. Ay, number 9, sorry. Sorry, miss.
Rebound by number 1.
Number 1.
Nadala ng bola. Number 1 drive. Wala.
Same ball. Last touch by number
Red
12.
ball.
Foul by number 53.
Foul by number 53. Navarro, second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for Mr.
Bonus shot by number 25. Wala.
No good rebound on number 53.
Score is 44-47. 3-point lead by Empress Ronyan. Number 9.
Concession. Ball ng tres. Patay suno.
3 points by number 24.
Concession. 44-50.
Steal by number 2. Number 2.
Leon.
Rod to number 16. Rod, tumira ng tres. Short. Four minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the fourth period. Score is 44-50. 53, yes. 2 points.
2 points. Navarro.
44-50. Number 16. 16. Body contact by number 9.
So you said it's okay, Peter.
First shot, no good.
Shot no good.
Second try, no good again.
No good. Rebound by Concepcion.
Hey. And number 41. 10 seconds! Uy, wala sa release by number 53. Rebound by number 16. 3 minutes remaining.
We're enter on the 3 minutes remaining shot clock. Rebound by number 53, foul by number 20. First team foul by Amalia. Stop clock na po tayo.
Stop time po tayo.
And this leg enjoying 8-point lead. Hey, pass to number 35. 35! What a layup. Foul by number. Who's that? Number 15. 13 foul by Second personal foul by number 15. Yes.
Betong.
Second try, yes.
2 by 2.
By number 35. Turnover. Substitution.
Sab, pasok na po.
Sub sa Baro out.
2 minutes and 37 seconds remaining in the fourth period. Enough sa ilalim. Yes, 62 points. Nice pass by number 24. And complete foul.
Who's foul rep? Number 2.
13 foul.
De Leon, first personal foul, 13 foul.
13 foul by MSA.
Usap. De Leon na si Dino E. Wait lang yun. Steve.
35. And number 13.
15 seconds.
And number 5.
10 seconds.
Nasa kay Arnold. Arnold. Ready na. Good block by number 41. Arnold. Umalis sa ere. Pinas sa kalaban.
Napagalitan ka kasi.
Yes! 2 points! Lumalayo na po ang investing. 44-59. Enjoy 15-point lead. Nice rebound by Arnold. Arnold! Power play by Arnold. Pinasa kay Nabo. 10 seconds! Steal by number 35. Number 35. To number 5. Yes, 44-61. 1 minute in the fourth quarter. Nice turning around. Yes, number 16. 50 seconds. Rebound ni Labon. $40. Ay, yes, 2 points. $30. Number 13. Steal by Tigna. Yes, 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Our best player of the ball game is
Concepcion.
Concepcion, number 24.